Okay, so today I am going to teach you how to make a bruschetta. So here we have sweet corn boiled with butter and salt. In this we will put red and yellow bell peppers. For seasoning, I'll add a bit more salt. That should be enough. Here we have oregano. A very special seasoning which is because of the storm my internet is not working, so please bear with me. The mix here we have put so basic herbs, chili flakes, oregano and olive oil. Now I'll add grated Amul cheese. This is a pure veg dish. The net is very bad. So we'll keep this aside. Now we'll take, this is a typical French bread. I'll spread it with sauce. Spread it nice and even. You can put as much as you want. If you want more, you can put more. I don't like too much of seasoning or too much of sauce, so I'll keep it light. Now we'll put some cheese slices on the base. The cheese will melt and give it a gooey texture. This is Amul cheese slice, by the way, guys. Now I'll put the toppings on. Load it with all the toppings. Well, you can use your hands also. Get your hands dirty. That is the best way to cook. But I'm trying to be a bit more civilized, so I'm using the spoon. And toppings falling off the side actually explain why you need to use your hands. Just load it on. Great. So the extra toppings you can just always clear up later. Now I'll sprinkle grated mozzarella cheese on it to give it that stringy texture. This will give it like a pizza-like structure, you may say. There's no harm in excess toppings and excess cheese. Everything is better with cheese. I can live on cheese. And I'm using my hands. Back to using my hands rather. Just pile it on, pile it high. Okay? For the final finishing touch, I'll just sprinkle some more chili flakes and some more herbs over the top to give it the extra kick. This is oregano. Oh no, this is mixed herbs. See. A bit more piri piri. Use your hands. And again a final dash of olive oil to make it rich. You have to be careful with that. You don't want to put too much in, otherwise it might get a bit overpowering. So we are done. Now we'll bake it in the microwave just until the cheese is melted, because the corn is already cooked. And I'll show you the final product of the picture, and pictures coming up soon. Be ready. Thank you.